Alright, we're here with zbuddy. He's going to be doing some breaks for us right now. And first, we're starting off with this press pass game breakers. There'll be one auto or jersey in there.
Autograph of Josh Johnson, San Diego University. Chris Long, now playing for the St. Louis Rams, son of Howie Long. Matt Ryan, Darren McFadden, Glenn Dorsey, Jonathan Stewart. He went to Joe Flacco, Felix Jones, Richard Mendenhall, Chris Johnson, MVP. Devin Thomas, Jordy Nelson, Matt Forte, Deshaun Jackson, Malcolm Kelly, Linus Swee, now a Steeler, Ray Rice, Brian Brom, yeah, I met him, he's a cool guy, Chad Henne, Steve Slayton, Mario Manningham, Giant, favorite guy, and Colt Brennan.
So if you want any of these cards, you can hit me up on my YouTube channel, PM me. Also subscribe if you haven't done it anymore for more vids from me and zbuddy. Thanks for watching.